The woman behind RT Manila?
A single mom ako for 14 years before ako nag-enter into sales. I've been into sales for almost my whole life. And then as a single mother, I also went to culinary, one of the culinary instructors. During that time, medyo boom na boom yung culinary. Pero, yun nga, medyo na-stop ako doon kasi I got married and my husband asked me to live in New York. So, nung nasa New York naman ako, I worked there as a medical assistant. And then we lived there for 5 years. And so after that, nung umuwi na kami sa Philippines, yun, isip na ako ng mga business na pwede namin pasukan. I also went into MLM, multi-level marketing. Okay, nag-multi-level marketing din ako. And then, yun na, nag-isip na ako, sabi ko, kaya ko naman mag-business. So, ba't hindi na lang mag-business?